Adam and I found a lot in the Chevelon area of Arizona. It sits in the middle of a wide open desert. We can see for miles and miles and miles here. We have 40 acres of land that is surrounded by other 40-acre plots. It is on the northern side of the Mongolian Rim and slopes gently to the north. Our first camp was set up on the south end on a knoll. The weather turned cold too soon, too cold to stay in our tent. We stayed away for the winter. At home, I thought about the north end of our land. Maybe I should at least consider looking it over before I decide to start building a permanent place to camp. The views of the surroundings on the north end are limited, but we can see the natural beauty of the cliffs, its rock formations and the struggling plants grasping to any loose dirt they can find. Elk and other critters would walk through during the evening. Their trails would wind through the junipers and up the steep slopes. A wide ravine with slopes winds through the middle. In the spring, a temporary camp was set up on the northern end of the ravine. The ground was leveled and the tent was set. Adam made a path for the truck by pulling the sharp rocks. 3 truck tires were popped in the first 6 months we came here. Rocks. Big rocks, little rocks, heavy rocks, sharp rocks, all around us. If we want to build something, step 1 is to pull rocks. The land has a considerable number of trees, cactus, grasses, and even yucca plants. There is no shortage of space out here. Plenty of room to move around. The dead juniper trees are works of art. When the leaves and bark fall off, the shapes of the branches are surreal. The decision was made and we got to work. I started planning in my head where to put the kitchen, the shower, the trailer. I had many plans and I would like it all to have little impact on the land. I'm hoping. There is no shortage of rocks to build here. Adam and I bought this land to have fun and camp. Get away from the hustle and the bustle. And I suppose stay healthy picking rock and building our camp. It is time to get started.